So the next is about traversing a linked list. So traversing means we have learned it as visiting the elements is known as your traversing. That is moving from one element to another element is known as your traversing a linked list. So the operator used to access the element is, the operator used to access the element here is, that is your self-referential structure is one example I have told you in your chapter 2. Your self-referential structure is an example I have told you in chapter 2. So the operator used to access the element is this. The operator used to access the element is this. That is your hyphen and your greater than symbol. That is your hyphen and the greater than symbol. So from the first node onwards, you can start moving. You can start moving from the first node onwards, from the first node till the null pointer. Where will be the null pointer? Null pointer will be in the last node. Where will the null pointer be? Your null pointer will be in the last node. So like this, right from the first node to the last node, you can go on to access the elements. Is it clear? So the next one is how you are going to move and how you are going to insert an element in between the linked list. How you are going to move and, that is, traverse, as well as you are going to insert the element in between the linked list. So like this, we are going to insert. So just here we are just seeing only about this traversal. That is, traversal means I have told you just movement of your elements, movement, that is moving from one element to another element. Now you have seen over here, this is the linked list. This is the linked list that we have created, that is with 3 nodes. Appa idil start and the temp and the value and the, just simply we are just only checking what is it, what is this, what is it, what is this. Appa next node like engane ponu ennallathu with the help of 2 variables known as start and temp. And then another variable known as val. Appa what is happening, ennallathu oru sequence vechu we are just moving. Adu enganeyanu this sequence is there only is present in this diagrammatic representation. Idu athra karyayittu edukanda. Okay. The next what we are going to see is insertion in a linked list. Insertion in a linked list means you can go on to add an element in any position. You can go on to add a node in any position of the linked list. Any position means starting avam, end avam, that is last node item avam, you can have it as the first node, or else in between in any position, or else in between in any position. Either position you can go on to add the elements. So this diagrammatic representation, you see the diagrammatic representation than the algorithm. Okay. Pre-node, temp node, they have told. Just detailed just listen to the explanations that I give you. That is more than enough to understand what it is. Is it clear? So here, ഇത് അത്ര ചോദിക്കുന്ന ഒരു question അല്ല, but have a look into it. That will do. So we have created a linked list. Okay, linked list നോക്കൂ, start node ഉണ്ട്. That is the starting point. ഒരു node ഉണ്ട്. You have the value. Next node in the address is here. That is 2300 is stored here. The next node we have created. Then the address is 3000. That is linked over here. And there are no more nodes over here. In ഇവിടെ വേറെ ഒരു nodes ഇല്ലല്ലോ. So this endpoint we have given it as null. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ we have given it as null. So now I want to create a new node. and insert it in between. I want to create a new node and insert it in between. So for that, what I did was temp ഒരു node create ചെയ്യും. Okay, temp ഒരു node I am going to create it. അതിലേക്ക് I am putting the values. Okay, so our address എന്താ, that is 3500. അതിലേക്ക് ഒരു address value is copied, that is 3500. Okay, so അപ്പൊ temp എന്നുള്ള ഒരു നോഡിൽ, okay, yes, its address is put over here. അപ്പൊ ഈ 3500 is put over here. And data part വേണ്ടേ, data part is 48. Is this part clear now? Data or the content or the value that we have given it as 48. Ini, we are going only to insert this node in between. We are just going to insert the node in between. Apo, we don't want to have any more nodes to be connected over here. Ini ivide where oru node connect avanda oru need illa. That is why we are giving it as null over here. Ivide oru node at present onnum connect avanda. We not connect any more nodes over here. That is why we are keeping it as null over here. Now we should decide the location where we have to. Now we have to decide the location where we have to insert this node. Now we have to decide the location where we have to insert this node. കാരണം ഇതിന്റെ address correct ആയി pre-node, അതായത് previous node ലേക്ക് ഇടണം, next node ന്റെ address കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് ഇവിടെ ഇടും വേണം. Okay, the previous node's address ൽ പോയി ഈ address has to be copied and the next node's address has to be copied over here. So we have to decide the exact position where it has to be inserted. We have to decide the location where it has to be inserted. Apo, we will decide that the position to be inserted is between the data value 34 and 17. അതായത് ഈ ഡയഗ്രാം വിട്ടിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. That is only for your better understanding. Okay, only for the better understanding I came over here. അപ്പൊ ഇതിൽ എന്താണ് ഉള്ളത്, that is in between 34 and 17 you have to bring this node. In between 34 and 17 you have to bring this node. ഇതാണ് അതിന്റെ position. For you only to understand the exact positioning only I have jumped over here. Okay, so അപ്പൊ ഇതാണ് അതിന്റെ position എങ്കിൽ, okay, think carefully. We have to copy the addresses correctly. അപ്പൊ 48 ന്റെ address ഏതിലാ വരേണ്ടത്, 34 ൽ വരണം. Okay, 48 is the value. അതിന്റെ address is 3500. 3500 എവിടെ വരണം, in the place of 34 ന്റെ node part ൽ. But 34 ന്റെ node part ൽ what do we have exactly, 3000. 34 ന്റെ address part ൽ what is the value we have actually, it is 3000. അപ്പൊ 3000 we have to replace it. വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു temporary ആയിട്ട് post node ഒരു node we will create and copy that address. Post node ഒരു node we will create and copy that address. Is it clear? എന്തുകൊണ്ട്, this 34 ൽ actually 17 ന്റെ address ആണ് it is placed, but ഈ 34 ന്റെയും 17 ന്റെയും in between only you are going to fix the value of 48. അപ്പൊ 34 ൽ which address ആണ് നമുക്ക് വരേണ്ടത്, the value, അതായത് 48 ന്റെ address ആണ് വരേണ്ടത്. So അപ്പൊ 48's address അവിടെ വരണമെങ്കിൽ, if you have to get the address of 48, what we have to do is first, അപ്പൊ first step എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം, അപ്പൊ this address value of 33,000 temporary ആയിട്ട് ഒരു post node എന്നുള്ളതിലേക്ക് we will copy and keep. ഒരു post node എന്നുള്ളതിലേക്ക് we will copy and keep. Okay, എന്നിട്ട് what we do, ഇവിടെ ഒരു pre node ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, വലിയ അതിന്റെ ഒരു need അധികം വരുന്നില്ല, but simply they are just only ഒരു confusion അവിടെ create ആവുള്ളൂ. That is actually not much needed. Okay, അപ്പൊ next what we do over here is, അപ്പൊ temple we have the address of 48. Temple we have the address of 48. അപ്പൊ 48 ൽ what we do is, അപ്പൊ ഇതിന്റെ address is in temp. അപ്പൊ temp ന്റെ address we will put it over here. Temp ന്റെ address we will put it over here. Okay, 34 ന്റെ ഇതില് we will put it over here. 34 actually what was it? It was 3000. Now instead of 3000, we have put it as 3500. അതായത് 48 ന്റെ address is placed over here. ഇപ്പൊ ഇനി 48 ന്റെ അഡ്രസ്സിൽ ഏതാണ് വരേണ്ടത്? 48 ന്റെ അഡ്രസ്സിൽ ഏതാണ് വരേണ്ടത്? The next 17 ന്റെ നോഡ് വാല്യൂ 17 ന്റെ അഡ്രസ് ആണ് വന്ന് പ്ലേസ് ആവേണ്ടത്. The node value 17's address has to be placed in 48. So, up 17th address, where did we keep it temporarily? 17th address known as 3000. We have kept it temporarily in 3000. That is post node. Okay, 17th address value is 3000. That we have kept it temporarily in the post node. Up a post node in the address value. Up a post node in the address value, we'll put it in the node which contains the value of 48. The node which contains the value of 48. We will come and put this post node value, address value, posting. Is it clear? Up and so now the link is created. Now the link is created for 17. The link join. Is it clear? ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്രീ നോഡ് ഒന്ന് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിന്റെ ഒരു നീഡേ അധികം വരുന്നില്ല. It's only a confusion part. ഈ ഒരു രണ്ട് ടേം വെച്ച് ഒന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മാത്രം മതി. Okay, that is post നോഡും ഈ temp നോഡും വെച്ച് മാത്രം if you just listen, that is more than enough. So this part we have done. Appo temple we are just having the address of 48. Temple we are having the address of 48. Appo adu ivide vannu ninnu we have put it over here. Then next we have put it over here. Appo idine eduthu ingodu copy cheyidu. Who is the drawing? Is there anyone who is drawing here? So like this, you can go on to add the nodes in a linked list. So now you have the list. The next one is deletion in a linked list. The next one is deletion in a linked list. So how to delete? Where to delete? In any path you can go on to delete. In any path you can go on to delete. The first node venamengil you can delete the first node. If you want to delete the second node, you can go on to delete the second, or in between any node to be deleted. Adum delete cheyam. Last node, if you want to delete, you can delete the last node. Either position you would like to delete, first you have to decide and keep which position you want to delete. That you have to decide, and based on that you have to use. Adayade ore temporary node, post node, pre node venam. Karanam you have to link that list. You have to link that list. Appare you can do it. Now coming into this diagrammatic representation. So this is the original list. Upon last example, what we saw was a insertion in a linked list. Upon node value with 48 is inserted here. Upon idana nammada revised linked list. This is your revised linked list with 4 nodes. Now you have to decide which element to be deleted. Now you have to decide which element to be deleted. Upper the element to be deleted as per this example is this. That is the node value with 48 is to be deleted. Node value with 48 is to be deleted. Ippo valare careful item. I have jumped from this to this. Why did I jump? Is to tell you which element to be deleted. Which element to be deleted. So the element to be deleted is the node with having the value as 48. Upper node with a value of 48 is to be deleted engil. Okay, so upper delete avanengil. So node with value 48, its address is here. Even the address is placed here. Upper this has to be taken off. Okay, this has to be taken off. Ini ഇതിന്റെ value, what is the value? ഈ നോഡിന്റെ address value എന്താ? That is 3000. ഈ 3000 has to, sorry, there is a diagrammatic mistake in this. There is a diagrammatic this has to be posted over here. This has to be posted over here. So how you can do? Look into this diagram. Look into this diagram. Node value 48. Its address is 3500. Adu ivada 3500 enter. This node's address value is 3000 and it is present here. Okay. This node has to be removed. This node has to be removed. Remove cheyyum venam. Address value has to be removed and this value has to be posted over here. Value ivadana 3500 ivadana remove cheyanam and this address value has to be posted over here. Appo adinu what do we do is address value known as, adayithu ivade 3 confusions undu. Don't go for all these confusions. Address value, what we do is we copy and keep it in post node. This address value, it is in the address value on this value of 17th, value of 17th, that we will copy and keep it in post node. That we will copy and keep it in post node. Then after this, what we do over here is, here they didn't show one thing. What we do over here is, ivada pre-node nu parni, ivada 2300 aanu parnadu. All these don't get confused. Or temp ennulla node likki, what we do is, idine kondu vannu ivadekku post it. Idiltha value we will move it out and keep it in temp. Ivada ennullathu, adayithu ivada 3500 ennulladine we will move it to temp. This 3500 we will move it to temp. Okay. What is this node 2? This is node 2. Node 2 in the address like this post node value, what is it? 3000. Post node value, what is it? 3000 will be posted here. 3000 will be posted here. Up and die, this link is cut off. What happens is this link is cut off and this link, this node is coming and joining over here. If the pre-node don't be much bothered over here. That's too much of explanations. Simple way is 3000. Simple way is 3000, that is 3000 ennulla value, you post it in a temporary node as temp. എന്നിട്ട് node 2's address part ലേക്ക് post node ne കൊണ്ടുവന്ന് copy ചെയ്തിട്ട് automatically this gets cut off. This portion gets cut off and your link will be joined like this. Link after the deletion of the third node will be looking like this. Is this part clear? Is this part clear? So application of linked list. So while adding or deleting elements to and from the linked list, all temporary nodes created such as temp, pre-node, post-node, etc. should be freed from the memory using memory deallocation operators. I told you linked list is actually a dynamically created memory. Okay, linked list is created using dynamic memory allocation. So whatever the nodes, that is the variables that you have created using dynamic memory allocation, everything has to be deallocated. Okay, everything has to be deallocated. That is, delete operation completely has to be used. Otherwise, what happens is memory leak will appear. Okay, application stacks and queues could be created with linked list, which will be created dynamically. So stacks and queues nammal padichadu was only on the basis of static allocation. Whatever we have learned is on the basis of static allocation. Dynamically, we can go on to create your stacks and queues. Okay.